Okay, reduce method in JavaScript. First of all, I think reduce is one of those things that you struggle to understand at first, but once you grasp it, it really becomes an invaluable tool in your toolkit. It is an array method. You use it when working with arrays, and it becomes relevant when you need to iterate through an array and then combine everything into one final result, one final output of this method, right? This is why it is called reduce. You basically reduce everything into one final output. So the simplest example of it would be to have some array of numbers and basically use reduce to calculate the sum. Now, let's go through this step by step and understand how it works. So this reduce is going to take the array and execute this function 5 times because we have 5 items in this array. On each execution of this function, it basically has this common accumulator, which is initially 0 here. The first time it executes the function, the accumulator is 0. It takes the 10 and it basically does 0 plus 10 and basically returns 10. When I say return, it doesn't mean that this reduce finished its execution. Basically, the current state of this accumulator is given to the next execution of this function. So on the second execution, the accumulator is already 10 from the previous execution, right? So it is going to take 10, add 2, and return 12. On the third one, the accumulator is 12. It is going to take 12, add 7, and return 19. When it reaches the final item of the array, it is going to take the accumulator, add 12 to it, and return it again. But this time, reduce will stop execution. And basically, all this is going to return that final 46, the sum of all the numbers. And we'll be able to access that value using this constant. So this is pretty much it. You mastered the mysterious reduce method of JavaScript. Well done. Hit that like button, subscribe, stay tuned. Ciao.